This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Vickie Bailey. A great move-in ready rancher with an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings and a fireplace. The large master suite is complete with a spacious walk-in closet. The backyard is fenced in and has a concert patio for enjoying the outdoors. Just minutes to shopping, parks, schools and more, this house will feel like home in no time. Please call today for more information or to set up a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Vickie Bailey at 865-584-4000.